In a world where AI is taking over, there's one thing they can't do: be human. Today we're exploring the unstoppable rise of artificial intelligence and its sweeping impact across industries. But hold your horses. Robots replacing humans? Not so fast. There are jobs that are less likely to be replaced by AI, jobs that rely heavily on unique human qualities: creativity, empathy, critical thinking, adaptability. These are the hallmarks of occupations where human judgment and emotional intelligence reign supreme. So, whether you're a leader, an artist, a therapist, or even a plumber, there's a good chance your job is safe from the AI takeover. Before we dive into these irreplaceable jobs, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about your favorite robot fail. Because let's face it, who doesn't love a good robot faceplant? First up, leadership roles. Because let's be honest, who wants a robot for a boss? Leadership isn't just about giving orders and setting goals, it's about understanding people, empathizing with their struggles, and adapting to unexpected changes. These are all uniquely human skills that AI just can't replicate. Think about it. A robot might be able to analyze data faster than you, but can it inspire a team to work through a tough project? Can it offer comfort to an employee going through a personal crisis? Can it adapt to a sudden change in market dynamics using not just data, but intuition and experience? The answer is a resounding no. So while AI might be able to assist with some tasks, it's not about to replace the human touch in leadership. So next time your boss is driving you mad, just remember it could be a robot. Now onto the artists, the dreamers, the creators. These are the folks who make our world colorful, vibrant, and unique. They bring stories to life, sketch ideas into existence, and weave emotions into melodies. They're the painters, the writers, the musicians, the designers, the creative professionals. Sure, AI can replicate a Monet or compose a symphony based on algorithms, but it lacks the human touch, the raw emotion, the unique perspective that makes art, well, art. It's the spark of inspiration at midnight, the tear-streaked canvas, the crumpled drafts, and the waste bin. These are the elements of the creative process that simply cannot be coded. Creativity is inherently human. It's unpredictable, it's original, it's deeply personal. It's about the connection between the creator and the audience. A connection that's built on shared experiences, shared emotions, and a shared understanding of what it means to be human. AI might be smart, but it doesn't dream. It doesn't feel joy or sorrow, love or heartbreak. It doesn't have a childhood memory to paint, a first love to write about, or a personal triumph to sing about. It can mimic, but it can't create. So Picasso, your job is safe for now. Let's talk problem solving, the kind that requires a human touch. You see, problem solving is more than just crunching numbers or following algorithms. It's about intuition, the ability to connect seemingly unrelated dots, the capacity to think outside the box. It's about creativity, and that's a uniquely human trait. Now, don't get me wrong, artificial intelligence is pretty good at solving problems within defined parameters. But when it comes to those messy, complex problems where the rules aren't so clear-cut, that's where we humans shine. We can adapt, we can innovate, we can draw on our experiences in ways that AI, well, it just can't. And there's the empathy factor. Sometimes problem-solving requires understanding the human element, the emotional nuances that a machine can't grasp. So whether you're a designer crafting a user-friendly product, a manager resolving a team conflict, or a scientist tackling a complex research question, your creative problem-solving skills are not just valuable, they're irreplaceable. So keep those thinking caps on, folks. Next up, healthcare. Because no one wants a robot bedside manner. Now, let's delve into why the healthcare field is not as susceptible to an AI takeover. It's all about empathy and human connection, qualities that are hardwired into us, not something you can just code into a machine. Sure, AI can help with diagnosis, data analysis, and even surgical assistance, but when it comes to patient care, it's a different ballgame. Imagine being consoled by a machine when you're sick. Doesn't sound too comforting, does it? It's the warm smile, the reassuring touch, the understanding nod that makes all the difference. Those are the things that heal as much as medicine does. It's the human element that makes healthcare more than just a service. It's an art, a science, and a calling all rolled into one. AI can crunch numbers, but it can't hold a hand. It can analyze symptoms, but it can't understand human emotions. It's this irreplaceable human touch that keeps healthcare professionals in high demand. So, doctor, your job is safe. Let's dive into the world of research and development. This is where human curiosity and critical thinking truly shine. It's the beating heart of innovation and progress, a realm where questions are asked and answers are pursued relentlessly. Now, you might think artificial intelligence could do this job, right? After all, AI can process huge amounts of data at lightning speeds. But here's the catch. AI lacks the innate human curiosity, the drive to ask why or what if. It's our ability to question, to wonder, to dream that fuels research and development. AI can assist, but it can't replace the human spark. It lacks the capacity for that sudden eureka moment. The thrill of discovery, the joy of understanding something new. AI is a tool, not a pioneer. So all you Einsteins out there, keep doing what you're doing. Now, let's talk therapists and counselors. In a world where artificial intelligence is making strides in various fields, there's one area where it falls significantly short: understanding human emotions. You see, therapy and counseling aren't just about listening to problems, they're about understanding the emotional context, the nonverbal cues, the unsaid words, and providing empathy and support. It's about building a connection, a bond of trust that just can't be replicated by lines of code. AI might be able to mimic empathy, but it can't truly understand or feel it. It can't provide the warmth of a comforting voice or the reassurance of a knowing nod. It lacks the human touch, the essential ingredient of therapy. It's this human element, this ability to connect and empathize, that makes therapists and counselors irreplaceable. So, don't worry, your therapist won't be replaced by a robot anytime soon. Next up, social work. We're diving into a field that truly embodies the essence of being human. Social work is a profession where empathy, understanding, and human connection are not just nice to have. They are absolutely crucial. Imagine a child going through a tough time at home, or an elderly person feeling isolated and alone. These are instances where the warmth of human interaction, the reassurance of a comforting voice, the understanding nod of a fellow human play a pivotal role. Artificial intelligence, as advanced as it may be, lacks the ability to fully comprehend the depths of human emotions, the subtleties of our experiences, and the complexities of our social dynamics. A machine can't replace the genuine care and concern that a social worker brings to their work. Social workers, you are irreplaceable. Your ability to connect, empathize, and offer solace is something no AI can duplicate. So keep making the world a better place, social workers. Let's talk caregivers. Now, caregiving is a role that demands empathy, understanding, and a deep human connection. These are qualities that make us inherently human. Qualities that AI, despite its incredible advancements, simply cannot replicate. Caring for the elderly and disabled isn't just about performing tasks. It's about understanding the unique needs of each individual, providing emotional support, and being able to adapt to changing situations. It's about being there, not just physically, but emotionally. It's about sharing a laugh, lending an ear, and sometimes just holding a hand. AI can assist us in many ways, but it can't replace the warmth of a human touch, the comfort of a familiar voice, or the reassurance of a knowing smile. So caregivers, keep doing what you're doing. Now on to teachers and educators. Picture this, a classroom full of students, each one unique, with their own set of interests, strengths, and challenges. Can an AI truly understand and adapt to each distinct learner as a human teacher can? Unlikely. Teaching isn't just about imparting knowledge, it's about understanding individual learning styles, sparking curiosity, fostering creativity, and encouraging critical thinking. It's about recognizing when a student is struggling, not just with the curriculum, but perhaps with issues outside the classroom too. In education, empathy, intuition, and human connection are paramount. These are qualities that AI, as advanced as it may be, simply cannot replicate. And let's not forget the adaptability teachers possess. They can pivot their teaching strategies on a dime, responding to the unique dynamics of their classroom. An AI, programmed to follow set algorithms, just doesn't have that kind of flexibility. So teachers, your job is safe. Last but not least, skilled trades. Now, when we talk about skilled trades, we're looking at professions like electricians, plumbers, and carpenters. jobs that require a high level of human finesse and adaptability. These roles need more than just following a set of instructions. They require a deep understanding of the task at hand and the ability to adapt to unexpected circumstances. Imagine an AI trying to fix a leaky pipe in an old, crumbling building. It may know the theory, but can it navigate the quirks and intricacies of a building that's seen better days? Will it understand the subtle signs of a problem looming in the shadows? This is where human judgment and adaptability come into play. Human skilled workers have the ability to approach a task from different angles, to think on their feet, and to come up with creative solutions when faced with a unique problem. It's this kind of flexibility and critical thinking that sets us apart from machines. So, all you skilled workers out there, keep doing what you're doing. And there we have it, folks. We've journeyed through a variety of professions, from leadership to skilled trades, where human qualities and skills are irreplaceable. We've seen the importance of creativity, empathy, critical thinking, and adaptability in our daily lives, and how these traits set us apart from our AI counterparts. These professions remind us that while AI can assist us, it cannot fully replicate the unique qualities and skills we bring. So let's value our human touch in a world that's increasingly automated. Remember, in a world full of robots, there's always a place for the human touch. So keep being human, folks. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, unless you're a robot, in which case carry on.